We're about to get started with lesson 1, chapters 1, whatever you want to call it. And we can't start the file within Photoshop. We have to actually go get the files from My eClass Online, or I guess you call it eCompanion. And so we're going to have to hide Photoshop. Now I'm going to go to the Photoshop menu and go to Hide Photoshop. And go to my browser, which is Chrome. And I'm already logged into my website, or at least my shell, and we'll go to, I've already got section A set up, so I know you might not be in section A, or it'll probably be a different quarter by the time you see this movie, but I'm going to click on this, and we will go to dock sharing in a minute, but I want to change a setting in Chrome. I'm going to go to preferences, and I'm going to go down to advanced settings, way down there, and I want to change where the files are put. If you download stuff from a browser, from the internet, you might not want to go deep within the bowels of the computer. You might just want to have the file on the desktop, and I find that convenient. So I'm going to change the location of where things are downloaded. And I'm just going to click on desktop and select it, and now you'll see the path. It'll go to users, video, demo, desktop, and that works for me. So now we'll go back to this up here, and we'll go to our dock sharing. And you'll see that these are all the lesson files associated with each chapter of our book. And I'm going to reorganize this so that lesson 1 is at the top of this list. I'll click on this link that says file name description, which changes the order, which is great. And I will now click on lesson 1. It should take about 20 seconds to download. Okay, our files are all magically downloaded, and we can now get rid of Chrome. I'll just hide this, Chrome, hide Google Chrome, awesome. And then here is our file, lesson zip, on the desktop. On the Mac, it's pretty easy. You just double click it and it just opens itself. So now we've decompressed the lesson 1 files, and now we know where they are. It's 01 start and 01 end. Okay, so we know where they are now. It's all on the desktop. Now we can go back to Photoshop and start working on this stuff.